Hello guys, today I'm gonna be reviewing for you DTL or Dr. Lee contact lenses, specifically their Polar Light series. I would just like to thank this brand for contacting me and sending me these lenses so I can make a review of them. And before we continue, I just want to mention that the color of your eyes will also determine how contact lenses will look like. For example, I do have brown eyes, but if you do have extremely light eyes, some of the color lenses will look differently on you than it will on me. So for example, today's lenses, they just changed a tint to my eye. They would look differently if I do have really bright eyes. But enough about that, let's just move on to our first contact lenses, which are Polar Light blue-gray color contact lenses. And this is how they look like. So whenever I create makeup looks, I am inspired a lot when it comes to eye colors. It means a lot to me. Depending on how my eye color is going to be or how my makeup look is going to be for the day, I'm actually choosing to match both of the situations so that I have everything in perfect harmony. So as you can see on my channel, I really do like to experiment a lot when it comes to colors, and that is not just with the makeup but also with the eye color. Next, we have Polar Lights Brown. I was a bit skeptical with these contacts because I didn't know if they are going to change my color because they are already brown. But they did. They changed the hue of my eyes and they are actually lighter than my eyes, and I don't have like deep dark brown eye color, but still I wasn't sure how they are going to look like, and I created this look with them and I had the best time creating this look. I really loved how this color went with this green and blue tones, and the thing is they look so natural. They don't look fake. One of the reasons for that is because the color is not too much of a difference of my color, but still they do look super natural, and they as all other contact lenses, they feel really comfortable. Next, we have Polar Lights gray contact lenses, and this is the look that I created with these contact lenses as well. So two of them really changed my eye color, and that was Polar Lights gray and blue gray. And when it comes to brown and yellow green, they changed my color, but overall it wasn't that big of a change, but I still like it because they looked super natural and my eyes still looked differently. So all the lenses that I'm trying, they are having period of use of 12 months. Today I'm wearing Polar Lights yellow-green contact lenses. So each of these contact lenses, they come in with containers, little containers where you can keep them. And also they come with these little tools. So it's easier for you to pick them up from the container and put it in your eye. I really do like the fact when it comes to this part right here that it's really, really soft. But I was a little bit concerned of when it comes to end of this kind of when the plastic ends. I would like this part to be a little bit more softer just because lenses are so extremely sensitive. So I do pay attention whenever I'm picking them up, just the way I work with them. And now just one fact that is really convenient, when the containers are in colors, now I know that these are my green lenses, these are my blue lenses, and I don't have to every time, if they are just same color, if I don't label them, then I don't know what's inside, and every time I have to open them and just waste my time to see where are the lenses that I actually want for that day. Something that I realized when I try Polar Lights brown and yellow-green lenses is that they do go a little bit outside of my iris, and because of that I did realize a little bit of color peeking through, but that was less noticeable somehow with blue, gray and gray color contact lenses. Anyways, I will link everything down in the description below. You can check this website, and also if you want to purchase some of the products for yourself, I will link my discount code as well. Let me know in the comments if you're wearing contact lenses, and if you do, which style do you prefer. And that will be it for today's review. Overall opinion is that I think they're really comfortable, which is really important. I did like the fact that brown and yellow-green looked super natural on me. They look really, really natural, and I thought they're gonna be more, for example, this yellow-green, I thought they're going to be a more looking more green on me, but they look so natural. Again, thank you guys for watching and for your support, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye!